Hey guys! You guys want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
It's also her birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's our last time coming here all together. This is so sad. It's really sad. But we're at Azuki right now. I shouldn't be vlogging right now, but okay. Well, catch you later.
Of course.
That was the last time ever setting foot in there as a high school student, as a 17-year-old. Oops, sorry, anyways, yeah, so now we're headed to Chick-fil-A, which is actually probably our last time there too, which is pretty sad.
Oh, BT Dubs. I got a strawberry peach smoothie with boba added in.
And then, I don't know if I already said it, but the rest, or Armina, Allison, and I, we got,
Strawberry matcha.
strawberry matcha latte.
Mine's with oat milk and no boba.
Okay, I think mine's just like whole milk. And then Avery got
Matcha with... I just ripped the cord out. Matcha with cheese foam. And it's really good. It's like savory, but it still like tastes like matcha. It's really good.
Oh, wait.
So gorgeous.
Let's get some commentary. It's 60 degrees. It's raining. The sand is wet. It's fog.
Perfect day for a beach.
Oh, Southern California, baby.
Does this not remind you of like when you go to another state and then your school wants to do something the day you leave?
Yeah, so we are in beautiful sunny California.
The UV rays are killer, dude. Look
Nope.
at this. We're getting tan.
You think I would bring a carton of
This is the day that we all get that beautiful summer tan. Alright, hey guys, so we're at the beach. Okay, we already discussed that.
in one piece.
We did. It is pretty cloudy. Okay, so we just left the beach. It's like 1 p.m. right now, or like 1:15.
Yeah.
So we were there for like 4 hours. Oh, we left someone behind. Wait, or did we not? Oh, never mind. It's like really quiet here.
We're gonna go back to school.
Yeah,
Then we're gonna go to Parma.
and we're gonna get pizza, and that's gonna be so good. I mean, it's the only one who's ever been here. Nobody else has been. Or actually, I think Casey has.
Yeah, maybe.
But yeah, so we'll catch you in the Jeep.